the Hammer Productions presents an unboxing video.
Hello YouTube, Gog the Hammer here. Just picked up a new handgun today and I wanted to share it with everybody. It's a new Ruger revolver, an LCRx in .327 Magnum. There really is hardly anything about this handgun or the caliber anywhere on the web. There's a few things on the caliber, but I don't think I've seen anything on the LCRx. So I picked one up. I hope I like it. Let's take a look. We checked the serial number at the gun store, but that's it. I haven't even held the grip or anything yet. So this is fresh. Let's find out what we have here. All right, nice cardboard box, which is fine with me because I don't care. Your normal crap from every gun manufacturer. Instruction manual, that's nice. All right, let's toss it. Got your chain lock, which I'll never use, and the revolver. And that should be it. Let me just make sure. It is. Okay. Get that out of here. All right. Now, here we go. Look at that beauty. I don't know where the camera is. Okay. All right, let's feel. I did go to a store and hold an LCRx in a 38 special and 9mm, but I could not find a .327 anywhere. There's .327 Federal Magnum Ruger LCR. I like the hammer. I don't really like hammerless in anything. All right, that's really pretty. Let's get rid of that. I like the push button revolver too. Let's get rid of this sucker. All right, this is what I like about it. The .327 is very interesting caliber. If you do some reading on it. It was developed by Ruger and Federal, released in 2008. They were trying to come up with something that would rival the .357 mag and cut down like 20% of the kick and everything. So they came up with a .327 Magnum. It's basically a 32 Magnum. It's based off the 32 H&R Magnum, and they made that into a longer Magnum. Supposedly ballistics show it being more powerful than a 38 and rivaling the .357. Well, I got a rough edge somewhere in here. Definitely tight. Need to oil it up, but nice single action pull. Of course, pretty much every revolver with the hammer has a wonderful single action. Supposedly the LCRs have a nice double action. Let's see if I can tell the difference. Can't really find. There's the stage. Does feel pretty smooth. Hard to say. I have to play with it some. I have a bunch of different mouse guns coming I have to show everybody at some point, but it's definitely lighter than my Model 60 Smith & Wesson .357. Of course, that's only a 5-shot. That's the thing about the .327. They also were able to fit 6 rounds into the same size cylinder. So it shoots high pressure. It's usually stronger than the 9mm, getting close to rivaling the .357 Magnum, and you get 1 extra shot. So 20% kick reduction and more room. So pretty much any revolver you can find this in will have 1 extra round in it. I think Smith & Wesson used to make one. Never saw it, but it was an 8-shot .327 Magnum. I think that I saw somebody that made a 7-shot, but I don't remember who it was now. They make the SP101 with it's only a 6-shot, but I wanted a pocket gun, and we'll have to see how that works. But I think it was 13.7 ounces. You can find all the stats yourself. We don't have to go through all that. 1.875 barrel. Looks like a crowned barrel. Looks, maybe not. Nah. I don't know. We'll check it out. But what do you think? Very light. The grip feels good. Looking forward to shooting it. Okay, let me grab a couple rounds to show you the difference. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. All right, I thought you might find this interesting. I think this is all the calibers in handguns I might have. I don't know. All right, we'll start down here. I'm sure you all know with these as well as I do. Regular 22 long rifle. All right, 22 mag. Which is actually, for as little around as it is, it's a hell of a round. I have a couple NAA little revolvers that shoot those. All right. Got the little 32 ACP. I have a couple little 32s. And that is a small little round. Pretty ineffective, I guess they say. But I like it. Okay. And here we have the 327 Magnum. Look at the size of that sucker compared to the regular 32. Pretty big difference. All right, and we got a little 380. I'm not flipping anybody off here, I'm pointing. Got a little 380. We got your regular old 9mm. 38 Special. 357 Magnum, my favorite round of all time. 45 Auto. 44 Special. 44 Mag. And 45 Long Colt. That's a monster. But this is a lot of fun, I gotta tell you. I was always scared to get a 44 mag. I thought it was going to be overpowering for me. I'm getting older and my wrists aren't what they used to be, but man, that is a fun round. Okay, anyway, so regular 32, very small little dinky round. Been carried for years. It's over 100 years old. All right, 327 Magnum. I think this is I don't remember, spear gold dot maybe? I don't remember. But look at the difference in those two. Quite a difference. So 327 mag, heck of a round. Supposedly. Haven't fired one yet. All right, now what they were trying to do was to make it more powerful than the 9mm plus P, the 38 Special plus P, and being very close in power to the 357. Supposedly, it ranks on up there. This is a very hard to find ammo. I'm telling you, there's not much on this. I don't know. I just wanted to try it. But I guess 2008 Ruger and Federal got together and came up with this round. If you remember right, 2008. Worst time probably in history to come out with a new product. Crash, everybody was out of jobs, including myself. Bad time to do stuff and introduce a new thing that may one day be a good thing. I don't know. But there's a 327, there's a 357 mag. I'm going to leave those out there for a minute. 9mm. But Taurus came out with a revolver. Smith & Wesson had a revolver. I believe theirs is an 8-shot. And Ruger, of course. Ruger's, I think they have an SP101 now, but I think it went out of production and they've just brought it back. I believe it's a 7-shot. I already can't remember. It had a 3-inch, either a 3-inch or a 4.2-inch barrel. They make it two ways. And they both, I believe, fired 7. I decided I wanted more of a concealed carry, so I went with the LCRx. It does have the 6 shots. wonderful. It's pretty cool. So anyway, that's what the bullets look like. I also thought I'd show you real quick the have it leaning up against my SIG P365. I have not had that but a few months. This has got the 12 round magazine. So 13 rounds in the side, this little thing. Look at that. I have short fingers. And look at how far it, that's amazing. That's a fun gun to shoot. It's not that heavy, but I tell you, with 13 rounds in it, it's getting up there. I can definitely feel what I'm carrying all day. Now let's take a short look. I don't know how well you can see any of this between these two. This is depth-wise. I mean, obviously, revolver's going to be wider, but it's not bad. And you put it, you know, grip to grip and trigger to trigger. It's not that different, and man, it's pretty light. Anyway, nice weapon there. This is going to be interesting. I'm looking forward to trying it. So anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll try to get some shots in. Like I said, it's very hard to find ammo. I went to 2 places in town, and one place had 2 boxes of this Federal 100 grain soft point, which is, you know, just your regular plinking ammo, I would guess. I did find some online. I bought some Federal Hydra-Shocks, which ranked well up there in the charts as far as power goes, and foot-pounds and all that good stuff that I don't really understand all that much. I'll let Paul Harrell handle all that, but even he doesn't have anything on the 327 yet. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick video on what the LCRx and 327 looks like. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Try to capture some footage of firing it and see how it feels, and the kick. Really curious to see what it'll kick like, because it is pretty light. I think it was 13.7 ounces empty. We shall see. Thank you. Talk to you later.